Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Google Public DNS. This free global service can significantly improve your internet experience. It helps resolve website addresses faster and offers enhanced security features, protecting you from certain online threats. Setting it up is a straightforward process that can benefit any internet user, whether at home or in a small office environment. To begin, you'll need to access your device's network settings. The exact steps vary slightly depending on your operating system, like Windows, macOS, or Linux. Generally, you'll navigate to your network and internet settings, then find the properties or details for your active connection, such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet. This is where you'll find the current DNS server configuration. Once you've located the DNS settings, you'll replace your current server addresses with Google Public DNS. For the primary DNS server, enter 8.8.8.8. For the secondary DNS server, use 8.8.4.4. It's important to save these changes and, in some cases, restart your network connection or device for the new settings to take effect. After applying the changes, it's a good idea to verify that Google Public DNS is active. You can often do this through your operating system's network status or by visiting a specific website. With Google Public DNS, you should notice faster website loading times and improved online security, as it helps protect against certain types of DNS attacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.